would you check it out? Got the special edition today. Oh, how would they look? Now hold on, toy bar. This out's a manual. Nice.